Hey my YouTube loves, and welcome back to my channel. So today we are here with our September Universal Yum Box, and we had Taiwan, we had the UK, and now we have Thailand. So here's our box. We literally just got it, opened it up. Another little tiny box, and this is how the inside look. So I was reading some of the treats we'll be snacking on, and yeah, this should be a pretty interesting box again. So once again, my family is off from the side, and I want to be in the video, but I ain't scared to try it on this camera. I'm going to try it on this camera. I'm going to keep it 100, and we're going to keep it moving. So our first snack we're going to try from Thailand would be coconut snack bites, vanilla flavor. Ingredients are coconut, cashew nut, cane sugar, artificial vanilla flavor, butter, milk, cornstarch, and salt. So, sounds pretty good. I do like coconut. So I'm gonna open it up and see what do we have in this box. And oh, they smell good. Okay. Might be a thumbs up for this one. Let's see. This is good. It's just like a it's like an old school cookie that had coconut in it. Tastes really yummy. I mean, it's really good. Thumbs up the first snack. Okay. Y'all know I got my bottle of water. Gotta have that in there about the time. First snack is good. This is a Snack Jack. Oh Lord. Broad bean snack. It's Japanese curry flavor. I'm still chewing the cookie from last one. I like curry. Here we go again. Stuff I don't like, but we're gonna try it. Oh God, this stinks. Hold on. Sorry about that, guy. I know it's disgusting, but it was a lot of coconut. But this don't even smell good, but we're gonna try it. Here's how they look. Oh God, no. Ah! Y'all. No. No, 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 no. You can't have one good one, then have that. No. No, what was that? That was again. Curry flavor bean snack. Ah! No. 2 thumbs down for that one. No, that wasn't right. And this is, I got the book too, y'all looking in. This is sweet chili sausage potato snack. There's a little sausage in the back. Okay, this is gonna be interesting. I can't get it open. What the heck? Okay, got it open. Another, I like spicy food, but I think I don't like spicy snacks. That's what I think. And yeah, I don't think I like too many spicy snacks. So it looks like a little circle. I mean, it's not bad. I wouldn't buy it. I wouldn't buy it, no. But it's not as bad as that last thing I just had, so yeah, I just wouldn't buy it. Pass it over to the kids because they don't want to be on camera. So next we have this chocolate covered wafer with caramel and crispy rice. Yeah, it's called a Jack and Jill combo. Interesting packaging. Okay. So it looks like little wafers like this. Okay. Thumbs up. This is good. It tastes the caramel and the chocolate balance each other well. So this is pretty good. I like this. And that one's good. Wasn't amazing. Again, I wouldn't buy it, but it's good. Definitely good. You ready? Woo, Jesus. This is a chocolate and almond covered wafer with chocolate cream. You like chocolate, huh? They don't have no chocolate allergies. Okay. Again, not great, not horrible, but I wouldn't buy it. But, I mean, decent. Yeah, decent. So far, so good, I guess. It's getting interesting now. Oh, Lord Jesus, y'all. This next one, I gotta find the name of it. This is hot and sour soup flavored seaweed roll. It's seaweed, y'all. Remember these? Nope. The devil's a lie. Oh! Oh! I gotta pause. Wait. Okay, y'all. I had to take a break because your girl could not. That last one, that seaweed thing roll, wasn't right. That wasn't right. That was too spicy for me. And yeah, this is another spicy, but I'm gonna take a look here. This is a fruity gummy candy. Like a fruit rolled up. That thing still got my, I like spicy food with that. You know, we had that seaweed in the other box. That seaweed, that spice, too much. But I'll take a little tiny piece of this. I spit that dog bark every time I make a video. That's okay. That's not bad. Not bad. You can taste the spice afterwards, but it's not horrible. Next, we have some sour punks. Mango flavored. Y'all know I like mango. Like from a cruise. Hey. Hold on. So I'm going to take a little piece of the sour. It don't taste sour. It tastes a lot of mango. But it's good. I mean, yeah, not horrible. I mean, I wouldn't buy it, but it's decent. Just two. I don't want to swallow it. We only have a couple more treats to try, guys. That was the same one, I guess. What flavor was that one, baby? That one. That's pineapple. Oh, so they gave us two of these. So I'm not going to try that again. And they always give us a little bag of little candy. And I'm afraid to try them. But I'm going to try them. So it's two different kinds. One is a sour bum. And the other one is, I don't know. First the sour bum. I think it's like sour. Hold on. It's sour. It's sour and nasty. You can't have sour and nasty together. No. The last one is a lime hard candy with salt. That's sour and nasty. That's not right. Better. Okay. It's too much salt. It tastes like, hold on, you hear my voice changing? That dog again. It tastes like the rim of, if you have a margarita and the salt, just imagine just licking the salt off the rim. That's what that tastes like. A little margarita flavor, but blam. But like the salt off, this real salty for candy. I'm like, I don't get that. It's very salty. But whew. Okay, guys, that's our Universal Yum box for the month of September. We had Thailand overall. The snacks almost killed you, girl. But whew, but it was decent. I mean, some was really bad, and the ones that I enjoyed was good and decent. So, guys, hope you guys enjoyed this September Thailand Universe Yum Box. It certainly was interesting. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Until the next video, peace, my loves.